In today's video, we're going to test Joomla 4.3 Release Candidate 1. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch and Work live stream number 200 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also build Joomla sites, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. And today's video is brought to you by our wonderful channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And it'll save you a ton of time. They even have an account for just one site as well. So anyways, yes, it's good to see you all. Now let me just bring the chat over to the screen here and get the proper glasses on here. Hello to Bjorn, hello to Vinny and Ivor. Frugal Hosting asks, praise I'm doing well today. Yes, I am doing well. I'm taking care of myself and made some lifestyle changes just to not be so hard on my body working all night. So yeah, yes, thanks for congrats on the 200. And Mary says, great topic, never seem to have enough time to test new releases. Yeah, so why don't we just cut to the chase here. Chat on the right. Yeah, I've got some show and tell stuff to show and tell you later on in the stream here. So man, things look pretty dark here today. That's chat on the right. That's not what I want. There we go. All right, so I will post the link to let's see, I've got it right up here to share in chat. Control A, Control C. Thank you, Bjorn. Control V. There is the release candidate 1. I'm going to pin that message at the top there, so that is good. And all right, now where we're gonna they would like us to test these things on live sites and existing sites. So what I'm going to do is test it on the Basic Joomla tutorial site, which has changed quite a bit over time because I had a co-op student last summer redesign it, and I really don't do too much on it now because I'm trying to put everything on my company site. But here it is, and it's something that we can try. It's very basic, and we can play around with it. So, all right, and then probably some things that need to be changed here. So let's go into the back end of the site, /administrator. Release candidate 2 is out. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we'll test that one then, won't we? I can always change the thumbnails. In fact, Serge emailed me and said that I think somewhere I've got Joomla 3.4.0. So I don't know if I put that in the tweet or Facebook or typed it wrong. You know what? I was out last night at went to a movie at 9:55 p.m. with my friend. Some of you may know this because you follow me on social media. If you know what movie you want to guess, if you know what movie, don't give it away. If you want to guess what movie I saw last night at 9:55 at the local theater with my friend, type it in chat and I'll tell you later on. I'll tell you a little bit. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's just get to this thing here. I think it's this one here, and there we go. So I'm going to stage it. Now I bet you this is I'm going to make a stage it copy of the site. Oh, I would love a poster for that movie, Vinny. That would be great. That would be fun. I would when I saw the preview for that movie come up online, and it was back in February that it opened, and we only just got to see it now. As soon as I saw it, I just wanted to see it. I just thought, oh my goodness, this is going to be just a fun, dumb movie. And it was, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I immediately thought like, oh, who can I go see this with? And because I know it's not a movie that my wife wants to see. And then my friend Brian, I said, hey, let's go see this. So we saw it. Mary says can't be better than demo dummies. Yeah, so I posted on Facebook. It's a year, I think 11 years ago, or 9 years. So I used to race at the local speedway, and they made a movie about the people that ran in the demo classes. And I used to run in a pickup truck in a demo class, and my nickname was the Pastor of Disaster. But they made this movie called Demo Dummies, and I was in it. So that's what Mary is making reference to. But yeah, it was a good movie. Demo Dummies was a good movie too. All right, we're just deploying files and folders here. So in the meantime, let's go here and, mine must have a huge log file there. Okay, so let's go here and, man, if release candidate 2 is out, where will we find that? Might not even be mentioned yet. So let's see here. Download 4.30 releases. All right, let's see here. 4.0 release candidate 1. If we click back up here to releases, 4.2.9 release candidate. There's 4.3 release candidate 1. I guess we're going. I do like Stage It, Vinny. I do. Yeah, I like it just for quickly making a copy of the site. A thing about Stage It is that it doesn't back up Akiba backup files, so those are big. You have to, or does it? I don't know that it. Oh no, I was thinking in your root site you need to exclude the Stage It folder so you don't get having backups within backups. Oh, Bjorn says release candidate. Okay, well we'll be doing release candidate 1 here. So I do like it, and there's a goofy little thing that happens on some of my servers where when we go to log into the admin control panel, I might get a white screen, but it's something to do with my htaccess file. But we'll see. So here the copy has been made. We will log in to the copy of it, and there we go. We're up here, basicjoomla.com Stage It administrator. So now I'm not wrecking my live site, and I've got the exact thing there. So here, okay, so release candidate, let's just back up one here. And we're going to go, don't download from GitHub. Why not? Where else are we going to get it from? Oh, you wanted to do it this way. All right, let's go system, Joomla update. Is the oh, here we go. Use the nightly build packages. Okay, here we go. Joomla 5. Woohoo! 4.4. You kidding me? Is there something there? Interesting. All right, let's do 4.3, and we will do the development full package. We'll do the update package. Okay. So what I will do is I will post the link here for that as well, and then I will pin, replace the pin message and put that at the top there. Okay, thanks for that. We're gonna the development update package. We will do this, and let's just throw it into delete. Frugal hosting, on the movie you saw, was it about brothers? It wasn't about brothers. Were there brothers in it? There, a couple of characters might have been brothers, but it was not focused on brothers. All right, so let's save this here. Oh, that's the R2. Okay. All right, what should we host here? I said that. All right, are we gonna do release that? No. All right, let's do that. Let's do 3.0.2. Yes. Full package. All right. This is going so smoothly. I haven't even broken anything yet. Let's do the full package. All right. Now, disable automatic backups. Yeah, we'll do that. Hello, Imran. All right, so we're going to upload an update here. And we're going to choose our file, which is going to be this one here. Vinny, the director of that movie, did she play, was she in, was she in, 30 Rock? I think she was in 30 Rock, wasn't that? It was the same person, right? Bjorn says, no, first go on options. Well, I already have this downloaded to install, so I'm just going to install it this way. But what Bjorn's saying is that I could go, oh, this is bigger than the maximum upload. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, updates. I'll do it Bjorn's way here again. Update channel, testing. Let's go to release candidate. We'll save this. All right, update source. All right, we'll close this. 4.3.0 release candidate 1. I guess that's what we're going to do then. It's not the nightly build. Should be able, if we're going to do the nightly build, I should be able to just upload that. Let's do the nightly build here. Why the heck is this, why is the upload limit so, so low on this site here? Where do I change that? It's such a pain, all this stuff. All right. All right, I'm going to change this here. We're going to do that. I acknowledge. There we go. We're going to update. We'll do release candidate 1. And there we go. I'm aware. And I start the update. And away we go. Your output directory is not writable. Okay, output directory, site root BKP. That has to do with, I told, okay, all right. Do. Automatic backup before. Okay, let's go into here. I thought for sure that I turned that off, but we're going to go System, Plugins, Backup, Akiba, System Backup and Update, unpublish that. Now we'll go System. Now we'll go Joomla, Update. Yeah, I could set it to 777, but I don't think it was that, Imran. I think that it, yeah, who knows. Anyways, here we go. Here we go, update. And now we're going to update. Release candidate 1. Well, there we go. Whatever. We're only like 18 minutes into the stream here. Okay, so here we go. Now we are at 4.3.0. Great. Let's go back and let's go to here and let's see what there is to test. What's new? All right, Media Manager revamp. Let's have a look at that. Content, media, and first of all, Media Manager revamp ordering. Look at that. We've got ordering right here. We can, by name, size, dimensions. Oh, that size is cool. And ascending or descending by size. Great. So let's see. I can't really see the dimensions here. Oh, here we go. If we click up here to the right, here is our size. Oh, and look at that. We're sorting by size, or we can sort by dimensions. Date created. Oh, that's very nice. Cool. Well, that is working. Interesting. I wonder what our upload size is here. If we just go in here, maximum size and upload. Let's make that 64 megabytes. All right, that's that one. Image thumbnails. Let's go here. We click on this. Preview. And that's what that image is. But the images do have thumbnails here. Did they not have thumbnails before in the Media Manager? Well, if they weren't there before, they're there now. So that is working. That's nice. SVG file previews. Here we go. Let's try this. Let's upload an SVG file. Let's go upload. And let's look for an SVG. And we'll go and type here. First, I'll be impressed if I can upload this without making some changes. But let's see, SVG. Scroll down. Elemental P QRSTUV. SVG file. Oh my goodness, I don't have an SVG file. All right. Well, let's try this. Let's go upload, and let's go SVG. File not found. Star.svg. Star. Oh my goodness. Upload. Click up here and search. All right, star.svg. There, I do have one. That's all. The PHP logo one. Let's upload that. An error occurred. So I might still have to add the SVG thing to it. All right, well, let's do a workaround for that. Let's go to components. Let's go to system, install. Do a little trick that we did last week that Bjorn suggested. We're going to input in Focal Commander. And we're going to install that. No, come on. Here we go. Install. Install. And now that's great. Components. Unable to detect manifest file. Let's try this Focal Commander. All right, let's download it. Oh, I think it opened up here. We'll go here. Let's download. And let's download version 4. Might as well put it right where I want to have it here. Joomla 4 in Foca. Save. Oh, I already had it there. All right. Upload package file. This is probably still not going to work. It might be the temporary folder on the site. I'm not done anything in here soon. We'll see it soon. All right, any more guesses as to the movie that I saw last night? Oh, okay, there, it worked. I guess it didn't work from installing from the web. All right, I can, oh, and here we go. We've got, okay, so Foca Commander, go to Control Panel. We're gonna go to OK, we're gonna go to Options, and we are going to go into here, and we're just going to say, Ignore File Type Checking. Great. And then we're going to go into the images folder, and then we will, yeah, we're just going to upload here, upload, and we're going to add files, and there's an SVG right there. And we will open that, start the upload. And now we have the SVG uploaded. Nice workaround. Okay, I think it's there. Go Content, Media. The SVG thing is quickly becoming, moving up the list of my annoying little things. All right, let's see. I uploaded that to image, right? And that is called, let's just make sure I uploaded that to the right place. Foca Commander, open a new tab, images, yeah, right here in banners. There's the font awesome 5 brands PHP SVG. Oh, it starts with font. Okay, let's see here. Oh, here, let's try our sorting thing here. Sort by name, ascending. All right, well, doesn't seem to be showing, does it? Now I think that, I'm pretty sure that's an SVG file. It ends in .svg, yeah. Let's put it up into headers. Let's upload, add files. 100%, yep, it uploaded. Now it disappears. Now let's go to, oh, and there it is there. Show it, okay. Oh, sorry, that's not Media Manager. Headers. No, it's not showing there. Were the brothers named Sam and Reed? I don't think so. I don't remember. If there were brothers, no. All right, well, we don't see the preview of that file that's there, do we? Does it list? Do we need to refresh or something? All right, I'm going to say that one's not working. In which case, I need to make a little note for, I'm going to put it right in the chat here. What are we at here? This is 11:28, so I'm going to go 28 minutes in. Let's see, 00:27. We'll do this 00. We must have spent at least 2 minutes on this PNG preview. I'll put the note right in chat so I can refer to it later on. All right, so that one's not working. All right, well, let's check out the next thing then. SVG media path fix for Windows system. I wonder what that is. Media path fix for Windows system. Is that running local on Windows, maybe? I don't understand that one. But certainly uploading seemed to work fine for the path here. Not sure what that one refers to, though. Media. Images. Yeah, SVG is not even showing on there. Is there an option in here to view that? Allowed extensions. Oh, let's just try this. Let's put SVG in there in the allowed extensions. Legal image types, comma, SVG. You need to add SVG to show in media. All right. Path to forward, check mine types, legal image, video, legal mine types. Let's see if that's enough. Powered multi, nope. And headers, still not in there. Options. What is the SVG MIME type? Is that an image or is it a script? Chat GPT, answer my questions. What is the MIME type for .svg files? We'll see what ChatGPT says is image SVG plus XML. Oh, that makes sense. I remember that now. Great. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go comma. And we're going to paste that image SVG plus XML. We've added it to there. We'll go save and close. And we'll go to images. No. Let's try this here. Let's just try uploading it. Font Awesome Brands already exists. Am I missing it somehow? It already exists, but it's not showing. All right, well, let's give that a try. And I think we just did that right. That open. Could use a refresh button on here. So it says it exists, but it is not showing. Oh, let's just try uploading it into there. Upload. Oh, there we go. Very interesting. Okay. That means we should be able to search here. Hey, and there's the preview. Well, then that means then, if we go into sample data, let's go into Cassiopeia. Let's go to Focal Commander, and let's do this. Sample data, Cassiopeia. Let's go upload. Add files. Open. Start upload. Now if we go back to here should be able to refresh. And does it show up? No, it doesn't show up in there. So it almost really need a refresh button. All right. Let's see. Why don't I do this here? Let's make some notes since we're testing here. I'm gonna go into here and into my ClickUp. And I'm going to make a new task. Watch me work live stream 200. And I'm going to create that task. Great. Okay, I'm going to open that task. And then now what I can do here is bring this over to here. There's the task. And I'll make some tasks. Okay, SVG preview. SVG preview could not, does not show if uploaded by means other than Media Manager. Could maybe could use a refresh button. A folder refresh button. All right, there's one note for later on. All right, so, and that was around, okay. All right, good. Well, so that does work. It's just a little bit tricky because you have to upload using the Media Manager in order for it to show up. It doesn't just see it. See, and as soon as I upload, it does show, even though it said that it was there. All right. So I'll mention that to I'll mention that to Olivier. Great then. Next, showing drag and drop option for empty folder. Drag and drop option for empty folder. Can you drag stuff into here? Let's see, if I take this. Oh, you can drag in there. Oh, okay. So if we make a new folder, empty, and go into it. Oh, I guess before you couldn't see this. This is a zip file, but we'll try dragging it in there. And, okay, an error occurred, probably because of the file type that it is. But you do have the option, so that is working. So we'll just leave that at that. Workflow transitions, user improvements. Okay, let's go to components. Workflow. No, do we get to that in plugins? Or is that system manage extensions? No. I don't think this, obviously, I think I'm doing this work. Image, I'll go into content. Okay. Content. Workflows administrator component. Okay. Da, 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 da. Do. Oh, is it from inside of accessibility check? No, it's not that. Imran is back with his laptop. You need to set it up. Yeah, okay. Is that an option to turn on? Okay. Well. System. Let's do this. System. Plugins. Interesting. Where to get into the workflow area? Oh, Bjorn has placed a link. I wonder if this is to one of my own videos. It is. Sometimes I have to watch my old videos. All right. All right. Let's see here. All right. Bjorn, Mary, Ivor, William, Michael. We're at the beginning here. Your content workflow isn't just about the process of writing and publishing. A solid team workflow can boost your overall productivity and practically run your content team itself. That's okay. Have it so that it will go up full screen. This article implement of workflow for from planning to publishing process. Let's get started. Okay. Workflow. Here's the tricky thing of workflow. You got to have to figure out what you're actually doing. So planning your workflow will do. Let's try this because I know that in this video I am reading through this article. You know, it's doing. Okay. Create user groups and add users. Okay. Let's add user details, password. Okay, enable workflow. Content, articles, options, integrations. I was almost there. Content, articles, options, integration. Oh, see, I think I was there. Yeah. Enable workflow. Oh my goodness. All right, well, thanks for reminding me of that video, Bjorn. So I could remind myself. All right. The movie I went to see last night was Cocaine Bear. It was fun. But the friend that I took with me, I'm not sure he quite understood fully what was going to be happening in that movie. I don't think I'll be giving anything away, but I think that if the movie Jaws and one of the Final Destination movies were to have a baby, it would be Cocaine Bear. Yeah, so you can, so for doing workflows, let's see, we'll go save and close here. And so here they are. You can use it does rely on the ACL Imran, but you can use the default ones that are there. But yes. So what was the thing just that we're testing here? Workflow transitions, user improvements. Okay. So I don't know what the user improvement would be, but let's just do a new workflow and say workflow basic stage. Oh, and that was articles new. That's not what I wanted. workflow. Oh, these are articles. I might have to refer back to that. Okay. Create a new workflow. Add a new workflow. Navigate to Joomla content workflows. Add a new item. Okay. Content. Oh, here we go. Workflows. Add a new item. And all right, well, let's just see this existing one. Basic workflow. Basic workflow. Basic workflow. Note. All right. Well, yeah. Oh, Imran, you're saying that before workflow you had to do that with the ACL. Yeah, well, and workflow is really nice with the steps. Oh yeah, and the ACL, yeah, and so workflow is really nice too because it navigates articles through a step. But let's just see here. If we go into here, this featured article. You know what? On this one, I think I'm just going to take their honest permission, and that it actually exists here. Oh, okay. Here we go. We got some things here. All right. Is this what's easier? Is this new from the last time? It might be. Don't know what I'm doing there. This is the beauty of being in Stage It. Okay, I'm just going to say I'm going to believe that the workflow transitions user improvements. I'm too unfamiliar with them to test right now. Smart search, front end drop down filter. Oh. Smart search. I guess we need to put search on the front of this. So let's go here. And why don't we just add search to a module position, TP equals 1. Is that on? Yes. So we've got position YouTube. What do we got here? Position. Let's put it in position contact. All right, smart search. So we're going to go system, modules, site modules. Do we have search on here? No, so we're going to do this. We'll go smart. We're going to go smart search. And the position I said that we're going to put this in was, man, this is really tiny text there. Position to contact. Okay. Position contact. And menu assign all pages. Smart search. Show. Save and close. Refresh. Without that. Scroll down. By the way, I did not ask for my picture to come up like that. That is what they did. Smart search. Test. Is this a module setting? Search suggestions, advanced search. Yes. Show. Turn on advanced search. Let's refresh. Okay. Now, what is the test here? Front end drop down filter. Oh, okay. So we can search by type. All right, so that's what this is. Drop down filter. Oh, okay. Oh, search by type. Articles. Okay, so you have this option that you can add this. Now, of course, it looks like I have. If I search for the word test. So I can search category. Now, I've put this in a module position that's super wide. And there's not a lot of categories here. But this in a sidebar or a little box would be much narrower, and you could actually do this. So, okay. All right, so they've got that there. Nice. And search field. I wonder if they have an option to expand. Let's see what link to component does. Smart. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that search. Then I can go advanced search, and that takes me over to the component. Now, a lot of things are happening with template-wise here, so. Oh, that did not go there. That did not. There's something in there that's the dots following around. Advanced search though is not going there. I wonder if that's a thing. Or if that is related to, I don't know, let's go here. Smart search, components, smart search, index. We'll make it index all those things. Yeah, Immer says use the position main top. Yeah, if there is there main top on here? I guess we could move that up there, but let's see. Ampersand, don't get tripped up there. There's already question mark ampersand. PP equals 1. I've got title banner. I don't have main top, but we could go title banner. Okay, system. Site modules. And let's go position, title, banner. And let's go like this. Oh, that's interesting. Did I assign it to the wrong title banner? One. Title banner, all one word. No, it's there. It must be getting pushed down. Let's go static particles. Let's put in position Tim. There's a position Tim. Clear my global check-in. Does that drive you crazy, Chuck? I'm the only one that's in here anyway, so, but I'll clear it for you. Okay, and then there's the search. Now, if I click advanced search, it is not doing that. Now, you know what? I might have. Oh, you know what? I might have component turned off on this template. Let's do this. Components, template creator, CK, template list. Oh man, this is okay. Duplicate system, site template styles, the default website template, default for all pages, website template. Let's go to page. Oh, you know what? I don't want to do that. I want to go to, sorry. Let's go to website main content. Website template main content. Page 1. This is why it's important to have little notes and things so that you can find things. All right. Let's go page settings, hide front page content. Let's say no, that's what's happening here. Now when I go refresh, I've not been on this site for a while. It's not on a home page. Go about. Contact. Oh, and this is just all. Interesting. I think this might be more related to my template here. All right, well, we're in the stage of copy. Let's make Cassiopeia the default. Let's do this. And refresh, Control-Shift-R. Login website, main content. Menu assignment, main. Oh, I wonder why they did that way. Main. What is this main menu? Does that even occur up here? No. Let's go. I think I'm fixing or working on something here. Main. Oh, it's assigned to main. I don't know why that is. Oh, and main is a super user one. Okay, I don't need that anymore. This must have been for a test. So I'm going to delete that menu item. And so then that means if we go home, question mark TP equals 1. Contact is or your login page. Yeah, Imran, main was the a link that I had there when we were developing the site, so you had to log in and see it in the front end. System, site modules, Smart search, it's in position Tim. Excuse me. Well, that module has just stopped appearing there. Well, let's just close this. Let's clear the filter. Look for other things in position Tim. Tim Davis picture. Take my picture out. Definitely some, maybe it's just caching here. Oh, you know why? Oh, I am ended up back on the live site. That's why. Because this link up here, I think, is there we go. Oh boy, there we go. Now I've got it happening here. Exit. Okay. Now I go to system. That's what happened. System. Site templates. Let's just do that. Refresh. There's the search there because I took my picture off. Advanced search. Let's do this. Default for all pages. Let's go to here. The menu assignment is not a. It's interesting. It still shows this assigned to 1. I've seen this happen before where see, this shows that it's assigned to 1 page, but there's no selections in here. And I think this is I'd have to sort this out. I don't think this is Joomla release candidate related. Something I have to fix on the site probably. So we'll just leave. I mean, I could set Cassiopeia and then go to here, question mark TP equals 1. Let's just assign it to top A search. We'll go here. Be cool to be able to change module positions without going in, eh? Top A. Save and close. Cassiopeia. Oh, and there you get this search terms. That's it. Search terms in here. There's advanced search. Okay. Yeah, that's try setting the module to all pages. Yeah. Yeah, it is assigned to all pages. And hello, Tony. Good to see you today. The link to component. Advanced search show. Okay, search button. Hide. Show the search button. All right. So that was working. Was I missing this? I think it's because in my template I have show hide the content. Don't show the main content. I have that hidden on one. So so that link, advanced search, you just kind of expect to see more things here. Search, advanced search. So this is instead of having a drop down, it actually links to the page here. So that is working. All right. All right. All right. Well, I'm going to say that that works. That's close enough to working. All right. Menu. Filter menu items by component. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Let's go to menus, main menu. And now we can filter by component. Oh, show us the links to article. Hey, I like that. That's very cool. Yeah. I like that filter. I think that was probably added since our last look, I think. All right, so we can look at articles, or we can look at links to users, and I don't think there are any. That's very cool. Probably be some more components. Let's see. Well, let's make a new menu item. New menu. Select users. Edit user profile. Oh, I hardly wait till this comes out. Do some videos on this. Save and close. And when we close that, with that filter on, there should be one showing. Once it saves, I got a lot of windows open on my computer. A lot. Oh, and then there it shows. All right, so we got users and articles. So that means if we do a new menu item, let's say, let's do select. Let's do tags. Compact list of tags. Tags. And we go save and close. Oh, missing required data. I don't have any tags. All right, well, let's do something else here. Let's do a max menu CK, articles by cat. I'll just leave this saying tags for now. Select the category. We'll go main category, save and close. Now, yeah, it shows. So now, oh, that is excellent. Wow. Even though it says tags, that's cool. So it obviously looks to see what type the menu link is and offers the filter. Yeah. Nice. That's, wow. I like that. Yeah. All right. Admin menu can be filtered by parent. Admin menu can be filtered by parent. All right, so we've got site, admin menu. Okay. I don't have anything for the admin menu here. Let's add something. There's a new menu item for the admin. What types do we have available back here? Okay. Keep it backup. Backup. Backup to. Backup profile. Save and close. This one can. Missing required data. Oh, select the menu that goes on to. Oh, there isn't one there. What is this? So a new Admin menu by Tim. No, that's not what I wanted. Manage menus. Site administrator. New. Admin by Tim. Unique name. Tim. Import a preset. All right. Well, what would, let's import the components dashboard. Otherwise, leave this empty. Let's see. All right. Admin by Tim. Let's look here. Components. New. Select. Kiva. I'm not even sure where I would use this. Might have to figure this out. I might have to do this as a Watch Me Lurk live stream. Here's some options here. Let's go save and close. Now, where does this menu go? Huh? I don't know. Let's see. Go to home dashboard. Go to system. Imran says you have to create a new module. That makes sense. Is a menu? Administrator menu. Let's do that. Menu to show, admin by Tim. Admin by Tim. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so we've got a little menu here. In this module, we've got components. And there's everything that was imported. Needs some CSS. Yeah, Imran, yeah, thanks. Had to create a new menu module and put that in there. Have to do some formatting. But here's everything under components, which matches what's under this menu here. Oh, okay. Oh, so I could add, all right, so I could add a menu here. If I go like this, ampersand TP equals 1. This position over here is menu. All right, so let's go to our module here. Let's go to administrator modules. Admin by Tim. Let's assign this to menu. Let's save and close. Now, if I take the TP equals 1 off of the end, look at that. Now I've got my own little menu. Now I imported this, but I also have, so I imported everything that's under components by default, so that's fine. But I also have placed my own little menu there. So, yeah. That means I should be able to go into, what can I do here? Site modules, administrator modules. Position is menu. we're gonna revisit this because look, here's my admin by Tim. Let me go here and refresh that. Oh, I moved it and now it's at the top. Oh, so you can actually make our own little menu there and put our favorite things up there. I like that because you know what? I've got some extensions like in Community Builder. They've got their own little menus and they're way down here and you have to click and click and click. This would be great for making quick menus. Yeah. And like Imran says, now you can remove and keep things for your clients' needs. Totally. So if we got administrator admin menu here. All right. Close. If we go to menu, all menu items. Yeah, no, it's interesting because I want if this is select menu. I cannot, as far as I can see in the back end here, I cannot remove things from this particular menu. They're all there under there. But if I wanted to do away with some of this and just have a user one or hide this for certain people, that would be interesting to see. Yeah, I could unpublish this module and lose them all. Of course, I've got them up here. Just the trick is, where do I remove them from here if I don't want that? Because normally you would go system and menus, system, so menus. There's the main menu for site, admin by Tim. There's no way of showing where I can see menu items by the other one. The admin module. Oh, let's go see that. Okay, well, I don't know what's just happening there, but we're going to fix that. Oh, I just fixed something over here and broke it good. Interesting. All right, well, sticking with the theme of today, we're going to revisit that, but in the admin menu, you can filter by parent. Rebuild the tree after saving a menu item. Well, I don't even know if we can get into there now, but let's see. Menus, admin by Tim. Like that. Actions. How would we rebuild the tree? Huh. That is somewhere. Oh, look, there's a take a tour up at the top here. Interesting. Is that new? Is this take a tour new? Oh, cool. Is that a Summer of Code thing, I think? Joomla Summer of Code, GSOC. All right, well, let's see here. We got manage menus. I just got this. Yeah, I broke something there. There's that warning up there about rebuilding a module manager or something that it didn't have. All right. Well, we might have broken going anything. URL type menu can now be selected as base item in mod menu. Okay. URL type menu item can now be selected as base item in mod menu. So if we go to modules, system, modules, let's go filter type, menu, and like that. All right, so URL type menu item can now be selected as base item in mod menu. Sub start base item. Okay, so you can now select the URL like I have here as the base item for a main menu. Okay, and the base item, do we have inline help? What is the base item for a menu item? And Imran says the URL type is previously set as not class in CSS, hence show different styles. The base item would be, I don't know. Let's see, what is the base item? The Joomla menu module. ChatGPT. What's the base item in a Joomla menu module? In Joomla, the base item in a menu module is starting point or root item of the menu. This base item serves as the top level menu item, and all other menu items are displayed as child items of this base item. When a user clicks on the base item, the menu module will display all the child items associated. The base item can be set in the menu module's configuration so it can be changed to any menu item in Joomla site menu structure. All right, so it's the top one. Base item is a menu module starting point or root item of the menu. Starting point. So if you go to menu, it's the starting point. This base item serves as top level menu item. All other menu items are displayed as child items of this base item. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. What you said there, Imran. Okay. So, by what I just did there, for the main menu, I did that. Main menu sidebar right. Okay. All right. All right, let's get out of this here. Content. Use article's browser page title parameter before article title. Use article's browser page title parameter before article title. It says menu heading URLs were not worked as base items. Okay. Now you can use this URL menu type as main menu item. I think you might, yeah, okay. I think you might be a couple minutes behind Imran, although who knows. Use article browser's page title parameter before an article title. I don't know what that is. Is that putting the title inside of content and saying what the page title is? I have no idea what this one is. Where would that be? That's from 2014. Let's just see here. I'm using 3.4, but I have all my page linked to menu items. I can't figure out how to get the menu item title to show in the tag of the page rather than only the article title. For example, my menu item title is test. When I press the button, it shows test, but in that menu item there are many articles. When I click on the article in the test page, it shows the article name and not the menu item. What I want is that it shows the article name and the menu item name. All right, so Imre says it's like in some blogs you'll find website name add with gap of article. Use article browser's page title parameter before article title. Use article's browser page title parameter before article title. Oh, is this up in the tab up here? Yeah, would that be done in links on article tabs? Oh, here, let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this menu here. Menu. Manage. All right, we got rid of that. So, would that be in content articles? Is it an option? Let's see. Load. Browser page title. Use article's browser page title parameter before the article title. Okay. Bjorn says global configuration. Okay. Let's try that. Global configuration. Server. System. Site name and page titles. Is that it? Use articles browser page title parameter before. Use articles browser. I don't think it's this. No. I wonder if it is in content articles, options, choose a layout. No. Yeah, I just don't know Yeah, I don't know if this is adding it to the browser tab or it's doing something in the article title, but articles and category. There must be a PR on GitHub for that. That would probably give us a clue, but no. Okay. Use articles browser page title parameter before article title. See what? You say it's in menu. Okay, well, let's see here. Because we've got... Oh, about is all one page. It's a bad site because this is really only one page site. So you say it's in menu. Let's take a look at there. Menu, main menu. Let's go to login. So Imran says it's menu option thing and menu item option setup page. There's browser page title. All right. Browser page title. Use article's browser page title parameter before article title. So is this new? So basically saying use this before it uses the actual article title. So this is login. Let's do this. Log in. All right, save. All right, we're going to go to here, go up to the menu. We're going to click on here. There's no need to log into this site, by the way. This is just test article. Log in. You think you can set it in the... Oh, you think you can set it in the article? Okay. All right. Let's go to an article. Oh, down at the bottom here, browser page title. Is that... Let's do this here. And open it in a different window here. The live site. Options. Well, browser page title is there. All right, so basically, and actually while we're in here, let me just do this here. Menu, main menu. I don't need this login page. That is just going to confuse people. And I already removed that from the other one. So we'll just delete that. We'll trash that. All right, we're going to check that in. All right, so yeah, there's, you can override the browser page title there. And this is for, you can set it there. But user articles browser page title parameter before the article title. Use articles browser page title parameter before the article title. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, let's just try this right here. Let's make a new article. Let's go the images options. Let's give the browser page title B. All right, and let's set this to published. Got workflow on here that's going to keep me from seeing this here. Published, and we're going to make, I want to make this featured. Okay, I go into here, article options, integration, disable workflows, save and close. Go into here, publish that. I'm going to feature it. Do that, and I make this B. Oh, sorry, I just need the S there. Save. Forward. Now, if I go to this A page, okay. Here's and the tab is BBBBBB, so you can set the title up there. Let's view page source. Description, the title is BBBBB. Yeah, I still don't, I mean, I think that looks like how it always worked. Use articles browser page title parameter. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not 100% convinced what that is, but maybe it didn't work that way before. Okay. All right, custom fields for, or conditional fields for custom fields. All right, let's try that. Let's go into content. Field groups, new, and we'll just make a field group of 1. And now we'll go to fields, new, and show on attribute. Conditionally show or hide the field depending on the value of other fields. Is that in the other content here? Content fields. I don't want it. This is the live site, so okay, look at that. So here's a new field in the, this is the live site. It says editable in both. Here you can show on attribute, conditionally show or hide the field depending on the value of other fields. I wonder what goes in there. That's just the W. Let's make that save and close. And that's text. So let's make a new field here. Yeah, so conditionally show or hide the field depending on the value of other fields. So I wonder what the syntax is for that. If the field is show on attribute. All right. Well, that we'll have to look into. But that's neat. So show fields if another field shows something. Interesting. Imran says it could be used for writing a series of articles on any specific topic. Are you referring to the title? Okay. Or the field thing here. Allow to select the edit layout for subforms in custom fields. Allow to select the edit layout for subforms in custom fields. General text subform. Allow to select the edit layout or for subforms in custom fields. Let's save that. Oh, layout. Oh, table or form. So what does that say there? So allow to select the edit layout for subforms in custom fields. Oh, and there's layout down there. Allow to select the edit layout. Select the edit layout for subforms. All right. That's a new feature. And the edit layout. All right, something to revisit. All right, that's a new feature. Okay, we're getting up to one of my favorite ones here. When filtered by category, when creating new field, pre-select the category. Oh, I think I know what that is. Save and close. That means if we go to filter by category, and I go, so this is the uncategorized category. If I go new, it automatically has uncategorized in it. So you don't have to select it every time. So if you're doing a bunch of things for the same category and you filter by it, it automatically goes in. I figured that one out. All right. Tags. Single tab view fixes. All right. Single tab view fixes. Let's do, I don't have any tags on here. Let's jump over to J4 core basic Joomla. Let's go into here. And we're going to here. I'm going to go to System, Joomla Update, Options. We will go to Testing, Release Candidate, Save and Close. We're going to put in Release Candidate 1 here. All right. The reason I'm jumping over this is because this has tags in it. And we're going to put this in the blog menu up here, this thing that we're going to do. So I'm going to go menu, main menu, no, main menu, blog. I'm going to go new, and this is going to be tags, tags. This links to a list of items. This links to a detailed list of all tags. So we are looking for single tab view tags. Single tab view fixes. What is that? Single tab view fixes. Single tab view fixes. It's a fix here. All right, well, let's see. That's a compact list of all tagged items. Let's do this. Tag test. Select some tags. Millions. Let's just select them all. All right, that we go like that, and it's going to be on there. So I'm going to go save. Go refresh. This page here. There's tag test. There's a list of all the tags. Now when I click on this, is this no, that's the article. Oh, wait a second. Let's click on millions here, right here. Huh. All right. Don't, right. Single tab view fixes. Single tab view fixes. Don't know. I'm not sure. That does lead us into this though. Whereas, oh here, let's close that. We don't need that. New com tags router. So if we select this, this is the tag here, right? So welcome to your blog. Let's search for Joomla 4. Now notice the top up here. The URL is component tags tag Joomla 4. What was that before? Let's go here. Oh, let's go back to, let's go to my live site here. Let's go cancel this. And I'm just going to do this. Oops. Components. Components. Tags. Add my first tag. Test. Okay. I'm going to save and close. Okay, now content articles. I got my featured article test here. I'm going to add the test tag right here. Save. And I'm going to go I'm going to take a page out of my system. Maintenance Monday, manage extensions. Oops, install. I'm going to look at that. I don't have install from web. Oh, here it comes. Install from web. Better front. Install the better front link. This was Maintenance Monday this week. Install. Install. Okay, go to content articles. featured article test, front end. That's because we have main content set off of here. You know what? I just want to see the tag URL. I just want to see the tag URL. That's all I want. That's all I want. Menu, whoops. Menus. Main menu. New. Tag. Select tags, list of all tags. Oh, this still might not work because I have the content component hidden. Anyways, let's do this. We'll just try it. Tag. No, I'm hoop. Oh, there we go. So there's test. And the URL. All right. Okay. So it's showing feature article test. The URL for that on the live site is /tag/test. Now I am using 4SEO on there. So I don't want to break my live site. I'm not going to do that today. Sorry for my sniffing. My nose is starting to bother me here. But the URLs here, index.php component tags tag Joomla 4. This is not an easier URL, but close. If I go to here, global configuration, save that. Let's go to components, system. Yeah, the previous one, but that's not the new. That's not Joomla 4.3. The previous one. That was me using 4 SEO. But let's just do this here. Install extensions from web. Foca Commander. Install. Oh, that's right. That doesn't work. Oh my goodness. Browse. Joomla 4. Just turn off my phone there. Joomla 4, Foca Commander. Components, Foca Commander, control panel. Okay. Oh, I've got an htaccess file in here. All right, I thought I had to change the htaccess on here. All right, so if I refresh and go to tag test. Oh, look at that. That's a much nicer URL. Yep, in the core, tag test. No more of that / long hibbity jibbity stuff. Something nice. So your tags will just show what they are. So if we click on worldwide, popular tags, your modules, let's go to love. Oh, see, it still says components, tags, tag, love. That's not any better. So what are we missing here? What are we missing? I don't know. Let's see. Tags, options. Remember, that's how to display multiple tags, one at a time. That meeting is canceled. It's got to be better than that in the core. It's got to be. I mean, sure, clicking on, oh, so tag test, that was just the menu item, but let's see. Huh. Well, I'm going to ask about that. Tried. Yeah, and that's just actually paste what that tag is there. Yeah, so much sniffing after watching Cocaine Bear. It's just my, I don't know if I'm developing allergies or I just had sinus problems recently. And they come and go through the year, so I will try not to sniff too much. There's the example. All right. Disallow non-existing tags. Don't even know what that means. Okay, I'm going to mute this for a sec. There we go. That's better. LDAP fixes. That's refers to logging in, right? I think that's one of the ways to log in. Yeah, I'm going to skip disallow non-existing tags. I don't know what that is, although if a tag doesn't exist, what would you do? All right. API articles can be filtered by tag and featured. Okay, that's an API update. I don't know how to test that. API articles can be filtered and by tag and featured. Okay. Oh, if you wrote "love you" as a tag, it will not show. Why would it not show? You mean in the menu when you're selecting, or dashboard? Quick icons, missing icons. All right. Okay, if it doesn't exist, it won't show. All right. So you mean like in here? We go to menu, main menu, and we only want to see. Let's go here, new, select articles, category, and the tags, love you. You can't select that? You think that's what it is? Did you used to be able to select that? Huh, if you could, okay, that's a good fix. Quick icons missing. Okay, so we'll trust that those are fixed because that's... I don't see anything missing at the front here. Quick icons. I don't see anything missing. Oops, okay. Template, different view improvements. Okay. Not sure what that one is. Creating names with .min.css. Okay, so you can create a template name with that in it, or CSS in a template for that. That I don't know either. All right, system, adding support to the NEL header to the core HTTP headers plugin. What is a NEL header? Oh, it's a minified CSS file. Okay. Oh, so you can create a minified. Okay. All right, and Nimrod said that too. Okay. NEL defines a new HTTP response header. It allows you to collect information from the browser when visitors to your site encounter one or a variety of different problems. You can collect reports that provide information about DNS, TCP, TLS, and application issues experienced by the client. Oh, okay. So that means you can you got support for those headers. Okay. During installation, provide a hint for a table prefix. All right. Mass mail validation fix. I'll trust them on that one. Select column tables missing in Discover and Templates. Discover and Template overrides. Select column tables missing Discover and Template overrides. That is here. Oh, use the search directly when you right click. Yeah. Then we go close. Whoops. System. If we go to discover, there must have been select column tables missing in here. Was this missing for Discover? Maybe that's what that was. Select column. All right. A little fix. Right to left improvements. Character count for input fields. Oh, interesting. Character count for input fields. Does that mean we go to publishing. Oh, is this... Has that always been that way, showing the characters? Yeah, or on forms, it's there. But what would it be? What would what would an character count for input fields? Yeah, where else would that be? On the contact form? Okay, yeah. Let's see that. Components, contacts, options, form. Contact for custom field, text input field. Okay. Yeah, I could see that. All right. So somewhere those counters are going to show up. I trust that works then. Pattern attribute for tel. Oh, for telephone. Probably in contact. You could force a pattern when someone enters a telephone. Okay. Number in contact. Command line installation of Joomla. Interesting. All right. If you want to install Joomla from a command line. Logged into server. Bjorn says yes and no in link. Oh, create a link to telephone. Yeah, but you wouldn't really need the pattern there, would you? Pattern attribute for telephone. I think that would be for where you're entering a telephone number. You require dashes or something. Messaging, login, logout in the front end. Yeah, Tony, I think that's what it is, like the pattern. It's got 3 digits and you would put brackets. Yeah, that's because it's not. I don't think that's the pattern for a telephone. I think the pattern for telephone is the oh, here, let's ask ChatGPT. What is the code for hot linking a phone number? What have you got? H or equals? I wonder if it's the plus that's breaking for you, Imran. I'm inclined to think this is more a pattern for when someone's entering in one. But maybe it is that. Okay. Command line displays messaging, login, log out after. Let's go to system, site modules. Let's go to clear. Let's go to log. Here's pretext. and a post text. So after someone logs out, you can put text in here. I think that is new. I think. All right. That seems awfully. I think that strikes me as new. And we could always just see that by going back to here, system. Modules, log, login form. Oh, no, that's there. What is, maybe that, was that maybe not working? Messaging, login, logout in the front end. Don't know. This is nice. Caption move to end of form after custom fields. Yeah, good. Support for AVIF, WebP, Hike, which is an Apple one, and WebP2 in the image list field. All right. Upgrade to Bootstrap 5.2. PHP 8.2 improved support code. Deprecated PHP 8.1 code. And guided tours. All right. So guided tours. Let's take a look. And I think that's it there, right? Yeah. So if we go here, close. Take a tour. All right. How to create articles. How to create articles. This tour will show you how to create an article. All right. Select the new button. Yep. Ah, this is cool. Add a title for the article. Next. Enter an alias. What should you put? You can also leave it blank. Yeah. You can leave this blank and a default value in lowercase with dashes instead of spaces will be used. Yeah. Interesting. You can write the internal name of this article. Okay, that's kind of interesting because it doesn't say to not use blanks, right? Watch, if I go D and go next. All right, so all right, add content. Yeah, that's still pretty cool though. That's not quite clear about the alias though. Select the published status. Yeah, published. Select a category. You can also enter a new category by typing name. Yeah. Toggle. Select feature to feature. Select feature to feature your article. Wouldn't I love to be able to get links to my videos I made in here, eh? That would be great. Not going to happen, but public. Set the access level. Select tags for your article. Yeah. Add a note. Normally for administrator use does not show in the front end. Add a version. Yeah, if versions is on. Save and close. Congratulations. Hey, that's pretty good. I like that. Oh, and look at that. What did I just... Oh, and look at that. I put that alias in there, and it automatically put a space in there. Oh, and Bjorn says that. You save it, it adds an A. Cool. Well, that's going to be nice. That's a very nice feature. How to create menus. Let's see this one. All right. Create a new menu. Click new. I think this is from the Google Summer of Code. I think. Add a menu. Yeah. Save and close. Great. And I'm sure, oh, show all tours. How to create menus. I'm sure there will be more added in here. Menu item would be good. How to create a guided tour. Oh, you can make your own guided tours? Yeah. Yeah, Tony, when will we get AI to get Chat GPT to maintain our sites? I don't know. I already maintain sites. I already use artificial. Some of my intelligence is artificial when I'm doing that. How to create a guided tour for the back end? Select new to create a new tour. All right. Enter tour. How to make a menu item. Add the relative URL of the page where your tour must start. Okay, it must start. Okay, let's try this here. I might be able to put videos in here. Whoops. Administrator. All right, menu. All menu items. All right, so I want it on here. It must begin with administrator. I'll do that. All right, next. This will show you how to create a menu item. All right. Next. Select the extension where it'll show your tour. All right. I want to put this in menus. Or all. Next. Save and close. Now you have to create steps for the tour. How to make a menu item. All right. Now, edit tour. That's the URL. All right, how do we make steps? Okay, now I'm gonna, okay, so you can mouse over the number of steps here. So I'm gonna mouse over the 0. Oh, no steps for this tour. Add your first step. Oh boy. All right. Click new on the menu. Let's see. Click new. Click new. This is where I type the code for, type the words for the step. The words for the step. Whoops. save. All right. All right. Remember, it says click on the guide tour on the top. All right, if I go to menus, if I go to main menu, no, all menu items. Target. Yeah. All right, what goes into target? Let's do this. Let's go back to, no, that's, all right, let's go in, let's look at these steps. How to create it, okay. Select the new button. Edit step. Oh, target dot button new. Oh, okay. All right, so I'm going to go down, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do how to make a menu item. I'm going to make this available to all components, so everywhere, save and close. Now behind my picture, I'm clicking on the step. Let me show you that. Output, Yeti, no output, C90. All right, back here. So I've got down here, this is my, actually I could just filter by ID there. All right, so ID, highest number at the top. Here's the one I just made, how to make a menu item. I click on the step. I go into click new. And I think that this is interactive. And the target has to be this up here. So let's see, view page sort, no, let's go inspect. The link to make a new menu, I think. Yeah, let's just see here. That's, so I'm back here. Let's go back. Let's go just look in here, how to create new users. Select the new button. All right, this is another one. The target is dot button new. All right. If I click on this new here, toolbar new, item add, button. It's a CSS class dot button new. All right, I'm just wondering how we know that. uses the class. All right, so I'm just wondering though, just to, and I gave the URL, so dot button new. Does that class show up in here? View page source. F3 dot button dash new. Oh, there we go. It's in here. Class button new. Class button new. All right. I just want to see where that is. Where's button new here? Yeah, I just don't see it in the button. Oh, button just says button new in there. All right, well, so we basically would do dot button new. Okay, dot button dash new. Save. Refresh. The dot says it's a class. How to make a menu item. This will show how to create a menu item, yeah. Click new. This is where I type the words for the step. All right. Except it didn't highlight it like this other guided tour. Click new, and it was pointing above. All right, let's see here. Interactive type form submit. Enter type. Okay, so form submit interactive button new bottom. Oh, position center bottom. Save. Oh, there you go, and it went to the bottom there. All right, click on that. Oh, that's adding a menu. Okay. Okay, there, and complete. And there you go. All right. Well, my next question is this. I would love to be able to import and export these. Oh, wouldn't that be great? I would like to be able to do that and put them on sites. All right, so that means, let me just go over here. Let's go, I'm just logging into my hosting on my server on the other site here. And I'm going to go into there, and the site that we're doing this on, no, the site that I'm doing this on, basic Joomla. All right, so basic Joomla, let's go to the database. Oh, which is database is this? System, global configuration. This is super cool. Oh my goodness. This is just super cool. You could edit these I can edit these existing ones and put videos in them. In the steps. I can. Or a list of things. This is incredible. I want to be able to export them though. So, all right, server. Really? Is it basic Joomla? Oh yeah, basic Joomla. Okay, so basic new Jew. All right, so we'll go back to cPanel. All right, let's close a few things here. All right, new Jew. Now again, I'm using StageIt. So I need to use the file, go into files that are not, that start with StageIt. And wonder what is it tour? I wonder what this is. Workflow, no. What do you think this table would be called? Oh, guided tours maybe? Let's look for a G. Yeah. Yeah, Bjorn says just do it in PHP MyAdmin. Yeah. Looking for a G for guided tours. Let's go STG. F. Oh, guided tours. Look at this. 2 of them here. So we have guided tours, browse. You know what? Guided tours, browse. This is where you create them. This will totally, I think this will totally work for move from one site to another. Oh, and that's here. That's a guide GUID. There we go. And then here's your steps. And because these are all to relative URLs, it should work for different. It should work across different sites. Guided tour step. New title. So the tour ID 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this will totally be able to be moved. It would be great to have the feature to export it. That would be easier, but you could do it this. So that's very, very cool. Huh. Well, you know what? I was going to say that my favorite thing coming out in Joomla 4.3 was the new tag router. But I'll tell you, that's pretty cool. That's going to make a real nice difference for people using Joomla as well. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Yeah, so we covered everything there. Not everything in depth, but quite a bit, and that's pretty nice. That's great. Oh man, that's exciting. Guided tours. Whew. Making them for yourself and making them for clients, and being able to edit and put some videos in there for them. Yeah, I like that. You could put a little bit of audio that reads it too, or a screen reader, something that you could play. Man, that is cool. Yeah, I agree, Mary. That is exciting to have that right in there. Hey, we were looking at admin notes a couple of weeks ago, and I chatted with them and said that we'd done the video, and he sent an update. Gave me some updated information for that to embed things in the notes was by using the iframe was the only option to do, and he put a tutorial on how to do that on their site or directions, and also he said that it was intentional that if you that you would have multiple things in a row. Remember how I had I added one item, tagged it or something, I forget, and then it did that again, and there's two things below them. He said that's intentional. It's supposed to work that way. So that is neat too. I should find that email and do a just quick follow-up. Yeah, so all right, well, let me get to my show and tell, and then we will go, because what time are we here? Oh my goodness, 1:34. So I qualified for a new cell phone on my cell phone plan. So I have got a new cell phone. And the cool thing is, and Ivor, I see you're sharing that. We'll check it out. But this cell phone, I can, there's an appointment to delete there. And it's got a little kind of sign there. It's got a little fingerprint on the side, so it unlocks it. But here comes the really cool thing. I didn't even remember the name of this. My son-in-law has this. He's had it for 6 months, and it's not fallen apart, and it's working fine for him. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, so watch what I can do. I can open it up, and it turns into two screens. And I can, almost said my number out loud here. But yeah, this turns into like this. You see, now you can see the fold in the middle there, but that's just a little divot. And yeah, so I got this because yeah, I qualified for a new phone. Still have to pay for it every month, but I needed something to do a little bit more for logging on, and wanted this to be. My other phone was getting slow, but yeah, it's a pretty cool little thing. So you watch here. If I do this, I can fold it, and then end up on this front screen here. So that's my new. Yeah, that's kind of nice. I have a case coming for it in a couple of days. All right, let's check out this link that Ivor has linked here. Let's see here. I'm going to pause this. Oh, I see.
The word that threw a party in the county jail.
Oh.
The prison band was there and they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joy began to
Hold on
swing.
for a sec. I got to turn it. I don't want to get a copyright strike on that. All right. We won't watch that video. But yeah, that's, I guess, his voice. I thought that was going to be a deep fake. But anyways, all right. Well, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm excited about Joomla 4.3. When it comes out in April, I'm going to be at J-Day USA. So probably not going to be, I think there'll be a live stream before, or maybe when it comes out. I don't know. But let me get chat back here. But yeah, so I won't be putting on my sites until I get back from J-Day USA. But that is very cool. Very cool. It was fun discovering that with you all today. So yeah. So I think we'll wrap it up there. And also, just I'll say this one more time. Thanks, everybody, for being a part of this channel and taking part in it. Being part of the little community that we have here now. 200 times. Actually, it's more than 200 times. But a couple of times I just deleted the videos or hid them because they were so terrible. I didn't want them on the channel. But 200 times that published to just hang out with me while I work on stuff and look at things and break things and try to figure things out. And you guys helping me try to figure things out. So That's a lot of Wednesdays. That's well, at least 4 years really, because there'd be some that be missed or Christmas or stuff like that. But yeah, I really do appreciate each of you and the part that you play on this channel and in my business and in my life, and for being my online Joomla friends and community here. So yeah, so that's thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I value it. I value it quite a bit. I value your time and your ideas and the effort that you put into things, and just I just enjoy hanging out. And I think that that's pretty cool. That not only is this part of my schedule now for every week, that for many of you is part of your schedule, and I appreciate that you appreciate getting together. So thank you very much, everyone. And yeah, I agree. I remember it was a good session today. Discovered some cool things, and that was good. So very nice. So everyone, until the next time, as usual, I hope that wherever you are, be it morning, afternoon, evening, or tomorrow, that that you are well. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.